Before we begin, make sure you've added and authenticated your YouTube Stream key in StreamPulse and uploaded your videos. If you haven't done these yet, check out our previous tutorials. Let's get started. In your StreamPulse panel, click on My Streams in the left menu. Then hit the Create New 24/7 Stream button. Now you'll see a setup screen for your stream details. Select YouTube as your platform and choose the YouTube Stream key you added earlier. For YouTube, you'll need to fill in your stream title and description. You'll also see a checkbox at the bottom asking if your content is made for kids. Make sure to select the appropriate option based on your content. In the playlist section, create a selection from your uploaded videos or choose all of them. This will be the content of your 24/7 stream. After double checking all the fields, click the Create button in the bottom right corner. Great! Your stream is set up. Head back to the My Streams tab, and you'll see your new stream in the list. Click the Start Stream button on the right. A pop-up will appear where you can choose the start date and time for your stream. Once you've set this, click Start Stream. You can check your YouTube Studio to see your scheduled stream. It will go live automatically at the time you set. And that's it. Your 24/7 YouTube stream is set up and ready to go.